Good morning students. Today in chapter number 10 we are going to study about area. This is a rectangle. We already know about the perimeter, that the distance covered by the boundary of a figure is known as its perimeter. But the amount of surface occupied, the amount of surface enclosed will be called as the area. In exercise 10.2 we have different shapes and we have to calculate the area of these shapes. Like in part 1 we have a square. So you can see there are small squares present. We will count the number of these squares and add up. This will be the area of this square. Similarly with this, in some shapes like this one we have complete filled squares and half. So we'll add up the complete filled squares and half filled squares. That will be the area of this shape. Like in this one, we have all squares completely filled and there are total 9 squares. So the area of this rectangle will be 9 squares units. And in this, we have 2 completely filled squares but 4 half filled. So we'll add up completely filled squares and half filled squares and we'll get the area of this shape. In some shapes like this one, this and this, the completely filled will be counted as 1 and half filled like this and this will be counted as half. So you will have to calculate the areas of all these shapes by just adding up the number of squares enclosed in these.